The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, good morning. Happy Friday. Thank you, Scott. Dennis, good morning as well. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Today is, of course, Friday, June 17th. Good morning, George. Mark, guys, good morning. 8:45. We have His Eminence speaking. That would be Jay Powell. So we probably will not do anything in the pre-market. We'll see. But I expect us to be flat to nothing. In any event, I hope you guys all had a great afternoon. We had for those of you that were in the afternoon session, we had a fairly volatile session again in the afternoon. We do have got an email from somebody. Let me check. We do have a couple of funded traders. So we exceeded last week. Let me see if I can find it. Somebody sent me an email and I forgot who it was. Nothing like old age. Let's see here. Wasn't there. Hang on, guys. 1 second. See if I can. Yep, got it. All right. So we have two funded traders today. Friday, June 17th. Salem and myself. I purchased a Combine account yesterday. I'm hanging out, Rich. I'm hanging out. I purchased a Combine account yesterday and funded it yesterday. Guys, if you would, bear with me 1 second. Morning, Billy. In any event, guys, I expect us to be relatively slow until Powell speaks. I do think we will probably, if I had to take a guess or a trade, it would probably be short into VWAP. Fortunately, I do not have to take a trade, so I will not. We do have some net buying this morning. We've got 1,100, almost 1,200 net buyers in the NASDAQ so far this morning. I'll go over charts in a minute. Other than Powell speaking, I'm not sure we have any news. I haven't checked yet. I'll do that as well. Let's see what we might have for news today, guys. Good morning, Nick. And then we'll do some charts. Nothing. Industrial production, capacity, nothing. Nothing. Adobe beat yesterday. For those of you guys that may have bought some of those puts, they did beat. They're down $12 in pre-market. They beat yesterday, but their forward guidance was poor. I expect those options will be slightly in the money. Anybody that took the option trade, it isn't going to be a barn burner. Let's see here, guys. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. Come on, don't make me look for it. Yep, gotta look for it. Bear with me 1 second, fellas. There we go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, there is your disclaimer. If it breaks 91.25, we need to get below value area low. And we could potentially trade down to 70. Or I think we will. Let's at least get 88. You know, there's an unfinished auction all the way down here at 78.5. Anybody that took that NASDAQ short, you got your target. We're holding the bottom of the basically 10-minute support. If this breaks down below 89, I think it gets crunched. Nice job, John. Below 89, I think this gets hit. This could accelerate. Yes, it does, Rich. It's got to break below 88. 88. If 88 goes, this will come. We catch that swing, and I'm going to get that 70. I don't know that we do or don't if you guys are short, but trade accordingly. Come on, don't you bid. It's trying to hold this area. That like it might or might not. If it doesn't go down, it's going to go up. Okay. Got to get below 88. If we break up, we may only trade at this 88. It's obviously not enough volume here to blow it out. This could trade right back up to 3,700. All right, I'm out. I still think it's a short. Yeah, here it comes. I'm watching the NASDAQ for a short. Got to be below what looks like 230. I'm going to try a NASDAQ short here. Let me put on a ATM. Got a 131 buyer here with blocks. ES, I still think is a short. If Powell is saying anything, he's not disrupting the market. You could trade back to 58. Remember, today is supply chain crypto. Yeah. Bill Gates came out the other day and had comments on crypto as well. Morning, Greg. We're at the bottom of that hourly trend line. That's all we're holding. Remember, I showed you guys what I thought was a bear flag, or it is a bear flag. We're at the bottom of the trend line. If I were forced to take a trade, I would probably take the long from here. $58, $57 is the target. I don't want it now, but there it is. Whoop, there it is. 56. We're holding the bottom of the trend line, hourly trend line. I don't have a pivot here. Oh yeah. Yep, I do. My bad. I think we're ultimately coming down. I'm going to try a short here. I will not give this a wide berth. Need to get this down below 45. Maybe 44 to get this to come down. Come on, you got them now. Got some sellers. 2 ticks? Really? 2 ticks. 2 ticks? Don't be a dink. 2 ticks. That's all I can get. Got to 40.5. My target's 41. Come on, sellers. Just give me that first target and go. Holding that damn trend line. 40.5 again. You know, a smart man would probably take it off at 40.75. I am not a smart man. I'm out. I'm out. It may get it. I'll wait for the complete break. Listen, a smart, I'm pig-headed. I want my targets. I do know what love is. I still think this is going to break, but, again, we got all day. Here it comes now. Now I would have had target. See, I know better. Yeah. All right, now I'm short. Now I'm short. I have no stop, no target. I'm short. I don't recommend it for you guys. This is trying to hold this 36. I'd like to at least get one off here now at 31. 30, 31. It hit my 31. God dang it. I am so good with targets, it's not funny. I had to milk it for 4 more ticks. You are a dog. That's what I get for trying to get an extra 20 bucks. 31. Hit 30 quarter. I'm out again. I'll just keep hitting it, guys, until I get the trade I want. ES hit 88. Yeah, ES is coming down to 70. What I need is this 9 o'clock close and the NASDAQ ideally below 29, right about where we stopped. I need the next candle in 30 seconds. Else we're still holding a massive area of support. It's not going to do it. All right. You may get this now. It's a short again. Try it one more time. Man, it still doesn't want to break. Come on. Just give me the first target. No. We're holding Ludwig. We're holding yellow on Ludwig level, and there's not. I got 40 sellers in here. That's it. 42. Come on, break down 5 points. Don't be a stink. Come on. What do I need for a target? 31 quarter. Yeah, I should be able to get that, guys. One buyer here that might stop it at a half. Come on. Where did it stop? 7.5. Son of a gun. It's a 9 buyer. 9 buyer. Come on, push. I'm out. All right, guys, I'm going to breakfast. I love pre-market trading because the volume is so wonderful. I'm out and I'm going, morning, Hubba. I'm going to breakfast, guys. We're holding this damn yellow. That's all. ES was a better trade down to 89. I still think ES will probably trade to 70, and we'll see what we get there. I'll be back in about 20. All right, guys? Anybody have any questions? I have to find a be right back sign. If anybody has any questions, holler before I DD. Putin is just basically bashing. Same thing I've eaten every day for years. A couple of eggs and a protein shake. That's all I eat. No bread, no bagels, none of that stuff. No butter. ZB, I'll look at it in 1 second. Hang on, Patrick, before I go. I'm just trying to find. I'll be right back. Got one. You're asking about ZB. I have no trade on ZB. It looks longs to me at the moment. I will be back, fellas. God dang it. NASDAQ's a straight short now. NASDAQ's a short. NASDAQ's a short. We're short on the 15-minute, guys. Here's where it looks like we're headed. Here's what the NASDAQ looks like it's going to do. Trade down into yesterday's close at 157. Looks like it's going to be slow, but we're below VWAP. My short was here. Should have been 245 and then 157. I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. Come on. All right, you're going to win. Not going to get it. Maybe. Still trying to push through VWAP, guys. If we get through VWAP, this goes a long way. 70 would be my target. We're holding 45. 70 is my target. Oh, never mind. 70 is not my target. I didn't move it. 70 is your target. 70 is your target. There's your 70. And going. And going. Off to the races. Off to the races. Booyah. There's a bot trade on the NASDAQ. I only have one. Why did that not set target? Let me move that. Well, that was a terrible fill with the volatility. Terrible fill. Terrible fill with volatility. NASDAQ's at 68, fellas. Here we go. It would have gotten that first target. I moved it out because of the fill was terrible. There's target. No, missed it by a tick. Got it. Target filled. Nice job, Chad. Watch this. Anybody have any questions, guys? Should all be making money. Is there anybody not making money yet? Nice job, Dan. You're lagging. Yeah. Anybody not making money, guys? Damn, crude got blown up. How did I miss that? ES is at 36.88 and change. My ES is accurate. Hit goal in 2 accounts. Okay, nice job. Looks like we're going to break lower. There's a short here at 65, small scalp. First target is, ATM target. Man, wants to hold this damn thing. We do have 400 sellers here, guys, in a 3-minute block. Putin says they will work to achieve a 4%. I don't even know why we're having to listen to Putin. Yeah, I'm going to take it. I don't much care for it, but I'm going to take it. ES is slower than dog do, but I'll take it. It's a combine account. It's only one contract for me. Got nothing else close. YM is not close. ES is just doing nothing. There's your NASDAQ short. I told you guys it was a short below 65. You got 10 handles on it. Anybody take NASDAQ? Anybody take NASDAQ? I'm done with this. It may still go. I'm watching it on order flow. It's just ES is useless. Here it goes. It's got to get above ES has to get above VWAP, guys. If it's going to do anything, VWAP is the key. We should get a bounce here at VWAP on the NASDAQ for a long off VWAP. No, not going to get, there it is. Come on, get above VWAP, you dog. Let's go. Give me, there's target one. Booyah, baby. Booyah, baby. I couldn't move it. Damn. That's a VWAP bounce, guys. That's your VWAP bounce. Now we could break VWAP, but we're going to trade into support at 36. No, ES is trying. Here it goes. Come on, ES, get above VWAP and go. Trade up to 90. You guys good? Target hit for the day. Time to start the weekend. Nice job, Chuck. You guys good? Is everybody good? Fellas? Okay. There goes ES. 3,700 goes. We could start working to 3,720. Done for the day? Awesome. That's what I love about Fridays. Goal on funded account. Nice. Here goes the YM ski. Let's do this, man. It disabled because I'm over 500 bucks. I turned it on manually. This is a funded account here that I'm trading on the screen. This is a hit all daily totals with ES shorts prior to market. Order flow should be the Holy Bible. Yes, it should, Jalen. Yes, it should. There's ES above 3,700. We're going 3,720. Nice, Ricky. Okay, brother. Okay. Let's see if, look at this, NASDAQ, high of the day. Dan, reduce charts. Anything that you're not using, reduce. Reduce. If you're not trading it, reduce it. Get rid of it. All right, Peter, just funded another account. Nice job. Yeah. Another funded trader on here, fellas. Nice job, Peter. So for the week, I think we should be at about 17. Monday, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17 so far. We're at 17. Let me do this for the week, just so I know where we're at. Look at this NASDAQ go. NASDAQ go. I had no other bot trades, man. Just this YM, which is hanging out doing nothing. YM needs to get through 140 to go anywhere. And first target's at 159. All right, Greg. Have a good weekend, man. Enjoy the four-wheeling. All right, so let me just look at a different. Nice job, Randy. Nice job, Tom. Have a blessed weekend as well. See you guys on Tuesday. Remember, Monday is a federal holiday, guys. It is a federal holiday, so we will not be here on Monday. And next week, or next 2 weeks will be a new link. So you'll have to get it on the member area. So let me see where the heck this NASDAQ wants to go, guys. And we're probably going to make it to 330. I like ES longs, guys, now. NASDAQ's going to go to 380 today, guys. 380. Maybe 85. We're just getting a small pullback here. They're tired. Here's where we are, guys. Up 105 on the NASDAQ, 17 on the ES, 90, give or take, on the YM, 15 and 17 respectively on the EMD and RTY. ES, I really need 03 above, and the ES goes. YM, which is as useless as useless could be, needs to get above 128, and she goes. And NASDAQ, Buyers back. We've got 2,600 buyers in the NASDAQ. May get it. I mean, I've got to stay long the NASDAQ, guys. I've got to be long the NASDAQ. Right now, I'll try another one. Another long. No, come on. Get up there. Come on. I'm going to get hit on that. That's cool. I don't want shorts. It's longs. Well, maybe I'm wrong. 15. Give me this. I'm not wrong on the long. Russia has a hypersonic missile that, God dang it, come on, you won't give me the target? Give me that target. There it is. I told you I wasn't wrong. There it goes. Told you I wasn't wrong. It's longs, fellas. We're going to trade to here. ES, there it goes. Target on the EF now is 07.5. Finally got a nice up move. We're going higher, guys. This is an oversold rip. You know, don't forget, it's also quad wedge. So wherever they can inflict the most amount of pain to calls and puts is what they're going to do. Goal on combine hit. Did you get funded, Mark? Or it's daily goal? Good morning, Greg. 3,700. If YM can get above this 140, it can get target. Really can't do anything unless I get a small pullback, but we are still blowing momentum here, guys. Listen, if this ES gets through 37.20, you're trading it to 60 and possibly 95. Okay? I want that. Max Payne and SPX is 41.40. I can't even get a small pullback yet. It looks like we're just going to rip up to 380, grind to 380. Is anybody not making money? The market is closed on Monday. Yes, federal holiday, Greg. Guys, is there anybody possibly not making money? Anybody? Don't do that to me, James. My heart stopped, man. Are you taking your own trades, Richard? When you say you took a few messed up trades, are they your trades? All right, Josh, have a great weekend. Are they your trades? Josh? I'm sorry, Rich? You're welcome, Scott. They're my trades and you're losing money? Nice job, Andy. Arjan, you have another funded account? Richard, they're my trades and you've lost money? You think you're too slow to enter. Got it. Okay. All I can tell you is, and I've given this advice so many times that I cannot count. You're welcome, John. If you're late, Richard, if you're late on a trade, there is no meeting today. No. If you're late, pass on the trade, man. Pass on the trade. You got to pass. This is third account. And that makes 18 for the week, so I can get rid of that. That goes for everybody. If you guys are late on a trade, FOMO is not a trade, fellas. It's not a trade plan. I mean, I'm trying to trade on the screen in full view, telling you guys what I'm doing, which means you guys should have a DOM up. You guys should be ready to push a button. I'm telling you, I'm looking at NASDAQ long or short right here. I'm doing the best I can. It's a volatile market. Small short NASDAQ. I must be freaking lagging. I got to be lagging because that was horrific. Yeah, that fill was abysmal. Mother fudger. Seriously. That fill was abysmal. Yeah, I'd give up my whole day right here. God. And I thought I put 2 on, not 3. Yeah, I took my stop and targets off, guys, because I still think this is going to come down back to 95. I mean, I've been known to be wrong before. God dang. If we drop below 07, I'll like this a lot. Come on, get below 07 right here. Come on. Got to come below 99. Come on. There we go. There we go. I closed it. It's coming down. Now it's coming down. Here we go. I'm telling you, it's a short, but the volatility is absurd. And I got a horrible fill. We're coming down, fellas. Yeah, then don't, we're coming down. NASDAQ's going to come down. They're selling them off. They're selling them back. Again, it's quad witch, fellas. I told you it's a short, right? I should have been short up here at 25. When I said it was short, it was around 16, 17, and I got filled at like 04. I mean, I'd still be up 30 handles. This would have been a monster trade. We're coming back to VWAP. ES closed below VWAP. You could try a short below VWAP with a target at 87. Big offer just jumped in on him. He blew. There's an offer here. You guys can short. You can try a short at 93, 93 quarter with a small stop. 93 quarter. I may not even get it. Nope. No go, fellas. No go. Here she goes. No go. NASDAQ's coming into VWAP. Here we go with ES. Here comes 87 on ES. If anybody took the short outright instead of trying to get cute and get an exact fill. Dangerous heat likely today here in the South. I think you can short ES back to 70 if you're short. If you guys like the bot trades, I would probably take the bot trades. I would have to manually turn mine on. My account is up 1172 here, so I am well on bot trades. My last trade, of course, was the YM trade, which got target. Finally. And then I have nothing on NASDAQ, nothing on ES. Still have a positive delta, fellas. Let me look at 15-minute is still long. I have no reason to be short other than, trades. I don't have a positional short. I still think we're long in the next 6 minutes. If we can come down to 55, that would be a pretty good entry, I think. We got to 62. I would try that just at VWAP or slightly below for a bounce. Jeepers, cribbit. That's the way to do it, Pete. Nice hold on that last trade. You inadvertently passed a combine today. This is awesome. Went long at the open, but didn't see a trade. Hit long a couple more times. Didn't see any of those trades, so he's probably got 6 to 9 contracts on. Next thing he knows, it pops up and he's $4,300 in the green. Yeah, I would, Jerry. We're coming down, guys. We're coming down. All right, Pete. So is that your first, Pete? Nice job. Now they're talking about 50 basis point hikes after the July meeting. That puts us at 19 for the week. One more, we get 20. Somebody get funded. Let me do this because I keep coming back to it. Need one of you guys to get funded before we close. All right, we got him. There he is. Nice job. Nice job. 20 for the week, guys. 20 for the week. Buy-side Global has 1, period. Yeah, I should probably save that just in case. Fed's Kashkari is speaking, so let's. That's nothing, James. That's nothing. I've had that forever. I kind of call it a high-low box because I trade. Interestingly enough, it's not on gold. Maybe it is, and I don't see it. Because I trade so many different charts, it allows me to look at the chart and whatever time frame it is. And if the box is blue, I know that I'm higher than the previous candle. If it's red, I'm lower than the previous candle. Yeah, you can buy it. You can buy it. $1 million. Send me an email. I'll send it to you. You can send me $1 million if you want to also. I don't turn down money. Kashkari speaking, guys. So now we're kind of just zigging where we should zag and zagging where we should zig. YM bought 1 short, ES bought 1 short. Those trades should work. I like them if you guys took the bot trades. My favorite cigar, I will tell you my favorite cigar. My favorite cigar is made by Davidoff. It is called Back to Back. Back number 2. Yep. Back to Back. No, back number 2. Back. I love Macallan. I've got probably 8 bottles here. Wasn't that AC/DC back to back? I don't know. And then the cigar, I prefer the Dominican wrapper, not the Connecticut. And I smoke. You guys will get a kick out of this. The cigar size I smoke is 6 by 60. 6 by 60. We're below VWAP. Short. I love Cohiba, but you can't get. I mean, you can't get them. I can't get them. I can't tell you the last time I had a Cohiba. You know, back when I first started smoking cigars in the 90s, I used to get Cohibas. Yeah, that's a good cigar too, CAO. Yep. Short NASDAQ, guys. If we get through 45, it's going to get blown up. Greg, you like it short? Bots are hitting targets, fellas. You like it short, Greg? Oh. Well, you might still get a bounce back up. I don't know where you're long from. We still have net buyers, but below VWAP, I got to be short. Oh, shoot. Well, as long as we bounce 245, I'd say you're good. Spell what name, brother? Don, what name? Yeah, I like the short. You got to short below VWAP. It's mandatory. You have to. What name? The only way I would be interested in the long is above 275. No, it's not going anywhere, dude. It's not going. Nice job, Robbie. Next 15-minute candle in 3.5 minutes. The only way that I would consider this long is above 75. There's no longs unless it does that. It's just futzing around VWAP. Nice job, Ray, up 1,700. Guys, we're beating them to death. Beating them to death. It's building a bear flag here. You can see it. Well, you would have been short below VWAP. The only way that I change that is a clean break above this pink line. 76, 70, really probably 80. It's the only way that I would reverse how I feel about it. 116.15. Nice break. Now it's a long. Now it's going long. Damn, Greg. Holy shoot. From yesterday or today? No, fake breakout right now. If you were short, you got to be out. It's a fake break, but you got to take the trade, guys. That's what I try to teach you. Got long NASDAQ to 96. Long NASDAQ now is to 96. Here's our support. Better be. Out. Guys, in order flow, you always take the trade above or below. We have a severe thunderstorm watch. Let's see here. No. Franklin area. No. Yeah, you got to be. But again, I still think this is setting up to come down. If this breaks back below 43, I mean, it broke VWAP and came right down. Yeah, this NQ. Listen, it's a pain in the neck. There's no question. NASDAQ is a pain in the neck. Go ahead and break VWAP again, and I'm going to hit it again. ES, you can short ES, guys, at 36.84. 36.84. Give me that candle close. Come on, close. Oh, you scumbag. Close. Nope, no close. Short. Target filled. One target only. It's a short, guys. I'm going to short one. And add into it if I have to. I got one on. Come on, break down below 42. It'll come to 32. Goal hit on the funded account. Nice. Come on. I have no stop, no target. I took my ATM strategy off. Bot's got all targets. Boom! One contract trade. Boom! Should have put 5 on. Come on. Arjan, another funded account. All right, baby. Guys, just hold him now. She foobarred. She done. If this thing gets down to 195, it's really done. I told you to sell ES below 84. Who listened? Who listened? Come on, NASDAQ. Stop being a chump. Got 400 left to give them. We should get to 213 anyways, guys. You got ES? Okay, fellas. Nice job. Nice job. To all of those that didn't renew their monthly membership, I hope you guys are making money. It just blows my mind when guys won't pay $199. Seriously. Village idiots. I agree. Seriously, I agree. Go join We Trade Desk or some goofy ass place. Thanks, I mean. Chasing pennies, looking for dollars. I agree. I do not, Greg. School of Trade? No. I don't remember that name. What about him? I don't remember. I don't even remember. I do remember School of Trade. but I don't remember the name. Most of them are jokes. Most of these guys can't trade. They have no clue. All right, we're getting a new 10-minute bar here, guys, in 15 seconds or so. 36 seconds. Come on, get down through 18. We should get to 13, maybe 14 before we find the next bounce. Got 600 contracts left to give them. Anybody holding ES or YM? ES target is 70 and then 60. I mean, NASDAQ, there's my, come on, 13. Not 18, 13. Held one standard deviation. I'm with you, brother. If you guys want your dough, feel free. If we break below this 17, we get below one standard deviation. Come on. It's on the cusp of blowing out. We're down to 350. Anybody holding a NASDAQ short? You got $600 on it, guys. Anybody holding a NASDAQ short or ES short? 84 to 74. You got 10 handles in that. Okay, Randy. Okay, Mark. We just have to break here, guys, right here. Uh-oh. Here comes the low of the day on the ES. Let's go get the low of the day on the NASDAQ and blow it out. Here's a $1,000 runner, fellas. 1,000. Low of the day on the ES. If you're short ES, your target is 60. Pay attention. If ES breaks below, if you're not short ES, you want to sell 36.50. Hit it at 50. If you guys are here on trial and you're not with us on Tuesday when we reopen the room, best of luck to you. I appreciate your time. I don't really do sales presentations, guys. Trading and the bots speak for themselves. Man, I wish I had 3 on. ES is coming to 60. 60. Come on, NASDAQ, break down further. Small negative delta now on the NASDAQ. We finally gone negative delta, but I don't know what the day low is. Somebody tell me the day low. Yesterday's close, which is where we should get now, is 160. All right, 162. Thank you, Fakina. We're going to get support right here on the 15-minute. Look, this is a support area. We got to break here, 90. Got to break through 90. Below 90, we're going to target 57. There we go. We broke it. Hold the line. Low of the day. Let's go. 400 negative delta. Guys, take your risk off as you see fit. Unless you want to try to hold out for the low of the day and a blowout. ES has a new low. NASDAQ does not yet. I believe we can get to 157, which was yesterday's close, and then potentially lower. ES has to break 60. If it does, it's over. I'm selling 50, two-fisted. And we still didn't get my final target, 182. Come on, fail. Next 10-minute bar. All right. I'm out. I'm out. Good enough for me, guys. That puts this at 1975. I think it's coming down lower. 1975 on this funded account for the day. I'll take it. Everybody good? Who's not making money now? Is there anybody not making money? Yeah, I still think you're going to get low of the day, but we're just getting a bounce here. I don't know why we're bouncing here. I would have thought we bounced at 78, but it's holding that 15-minute support, which my order flow guy should understand. It's basically holding that support, right? Which comes in from here, right there. But we're most assuredly are going to get that yesterday's close and potentially yesterday's low. Maybe on the next 15-minute bar. I mean, here's ES. Look, 60 level basically held. We got the 60 and 63 quarters, 61, and bounced back to that 70, which is now resistance, right? That's now red. If anybody listened, I told you to short 84. It's worth 25 handles. Another bear flag. Another flag here. Nice job, Thokina. I mean, guys, listen. If you guys listen, you make money. If you do your own thing or, come out ahead of target, you take 10 ticks when you can get 10 handles or 20 handles or 30 handles, you short circuit yourselves. If you're going to take order flow trades, pay attention to targets. I mean, I'm trading on the screen in full view. I can't do it any better or different. If we roll here, I'm going to take another one contract trade. I'd like to get this over $2,000. I need 25 bucks. That's all I want. Come on, 25 bucks. And it's going to cost me 50. 200. Roll. Come on, roll. Come on. Not going to roll. Come on down. Stop being a chooch. 30 buyers here holding it up. 32 buyers. Come on. Come on. It's trying to hold numbers, what it's doing. There you go. Over 2,000. $2,000 day. I'm good. I'm done. Nice way to end the week, fellas. Anybody take that trade? You probably can trade that now to 78 and then 68. Anybody take that trade? Okay, fellas. If you're in SPX puts, Peter, if you're in SPX puts, we really need to break down below 36.50. And you probably have a target of 36 between 25 and 35. So if you have puts now, I would look to cover down in here. This is major support, major. Now, if this should go 36, 20, I mean, really go, we could trade down to 35, 55. Nice job, Zeppier. Okay. Guys, there is no 11:15 session today. We're coming down, guys, on the next 15-minute candle in 7 seconds. ES is holding that 60. We need some help from the ES. You know, we have a back to a positive delta, but I'm not trying any longs. What I'd like to see here, let me turn the video, guys, and I'm done for the week. So we got to 21 for the week. Exceeded last week's 14. Another good day, fellas. Let's see here, Peter. You're welcome, man. Nice job, Peter. Yeah, I'm gonna look at this. As long as we keep making money, Peter. Yeah, I don't know, John. You have another one, RJ? You have another one? It's 4 today. Guys, it's been a good week. Remember that next week will be a new link when we come back on Tuesday. John, your trial will wrap up today. I do appreciate your time in the room. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you guys had taken these bot trades, I told you guys I liked them. We had the 2 long here, got the longs and the shorts. These were big trades. For those of you that are on trial, I will not be sending out an email today. I didn't get to one yesterday. I just didn't have time. But you guys know what your membership options are. If you're interested in becoming a member, please email me and tell me what you'd like to do. If you decide to go your own way, I do wish you well. Remember that 3 months with any bot purchase does come with the membership. So you get 3 months in the room where you can take advantage of my order flow trades, which are exceptional. I do have my days, but sometimes the market doesn't play nice. But generally, we make money in this room. Anybody have any questions before we wrap it up? Guys, I appreciate your time this week. Everybody be blessed. Enjoy the long weekend. I hate 3-day weekends more than life. I hate 3-day weekends. I will be bored to tears. You guys have a great weekend. I will see all of you on Tuesday. And there is no 11 o'clock room today. Hang on one second. Let's see. Yeah, of course they do, John. Yeah, absolutely. Yep, I've got a lot of educational videos that I sent. You as well, Robert. Let's set you an email from a company that There's a company that will pass a combine for you. Guys, happy Father's Day to all of the dads in the, you see Tesla up or down? Hang on, let me look at it. I'll look at it for you. Bear in mind it's options expiration. So this is Tesla here. Let's go back to a daily. Bear flag on the hourly. Tesla will probably come to 618 today and maybe 598. Tesla's a short. It just got this pop back up to 650 and drop down. Short Tesla. You are very welcome, said Beer. Learn order flow, guys. Learn order flow. One of these years I will retire. Thank God it's today. Amen. Happy Father's Day to everybody. I will see all of you on Tuesday. If anybody needs me, feel free to email me. Be blessed, guys. See ya.